Meaning of golden oldie.
Golden oldie.
Golden oldie.
Golden oldie.
Golden oldie. The term golden oldie refers to a popular song or movie that was produced many years ago but is still highly regarded and enjoyed by many people today. It typically refers to something that has stood the test of time and continues to be relevant and appreciated even though it was created long ago. These golden oldies are often seen as classics and are cherished for their nostalgic value and their ability to transport people back to a different era. They can evoke strong emotions and memories for those who grew up with them and continue to capture the hearts of new generations.